Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you my current favorite beauty products that I've been using on literally everyday basis, and a few beauty products that I just cannot live without, and they are just like my holy grail products. So let's begin. So the first product is the Biotique's Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash. Now this face wash is for all skin types. Now this has the goodness of honey. The first product is the Biotique's Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash. This facial wash is for all skin types, and oh my god, I got this very recently, and I started using this, and I'm truly in love with this face wash because it gets rid of all the impurities and the makeup if you have any on your face. And this has the goodness of honey, which means that this is really moisturizing, very nourishing and hydrating for the skin. And it also has turmeric, which gets rid of all the acne problems and any impurities that you have on your face or your skin. And the best part about this is that once I apply this, it instantly softens my skin and it gives me that brightness onto my face, which is something that I really like. So I like to use this on an everyday basis, and you can use this for morning and evening both times, and just go for this. This is like really good. The next product is the Body Butter by Body Shop. Now this is in the variant Shea. Now as you all know that I really like using body butters because hydration is the key to soft skin, right? And I truly believe that hydration is very important, be it any kind of weather or any time during the day or the night, anytime. So this is something that I've been using very recently, and it smells so nice, and I like to apply this all over my body once I've taken the shower, and once when my skin is still a little moist is the time when I really like to apply this body butter all over my skin, and I just lather it on, and my skin feels really soft. My skin feels really smooth throughout the day. So bang on, this is really good. Up next is the Nykaa SKINgenius BB Cream. Now a lot of people have complained that they don't really get to know as to how to use this, but the main trick here is that you have to use this BB cream with your hands. If you start blending it with a beauty blender or with the help of a brush, it's just not going to settle into your skin. The best part about this is like a go-to product, so you can take a tiny bit of this, since it's a BB cream, and just blend it using your fingers, like your bare fingers. That's all you need to do, and it settles into the skin so nicely. And this is like my true match. This is the shade, I will mention the shade number in the description box below, but this is the shade for me. Oh yeah, this is 03 Rich Honey, and this has SPF 30, which means, and it's very moisturizing as well, so you don't really need a moisturizer or an SPF separately. If you want to use those products, then you can go with those extra steps, but otherwise this is like one product that you need. Once you wake up, just apply this and you're good to go. And this basically evens your skin tone, and it really blends very easily. And this is something really good when you are just out and about for a daily basis, maybe a college or for an office routine, and you don't need a heavy base onto your face. And the best part is that since it's very moisturizing, so it'll keep your skin moisturized and hydrated for a really long time, and it is a bit tinted, so which is very good if you have any discoloration or dark circles or dark spots. It's going to just blend that all in and even your skin tone. So this is really good. I've been applying this literally on a daily basis when I don't really have any agendas to do, and I'm just going out just for some daily chores or something, so I just like to apply this. Up next is this Colorbar's Feel the Rain Xpert Sculpt Kit. Now this is a duo which really helps to slim down your face and to highlight your cheekbones. It has these two shades right here, so this is quite different. It's not like a usual bronzer or highlighter palette. Now this one here is the bronzer. This is like a shimmery bronzer that you can apply and contour your cheekbones and your nose, and this here is the highlighter. It's like a golden tinge highlighter, which is suitable for all Indian skin tones, and it's so beautiful once you apply it. I mean, it gives that really beautiful shine onto your face, and the glow is beautiful. So I've recently started using this, and I really like the packaging of this. It's really nice. It's from their Feel the Rain collection, which launched I think last year. So yeah, this is really nice, and this is suitable for all Indian skin tones because of the shades that it has. Up next is the Micellar Cleansing Water by Garnier. Now this is for sensitive skin, and it gets rid of all the makeup that you have. It is great to be used for eye makeup, for lips, for liquid lipsticks, for your face, everything. And I just need a little bit on one cotton pad, and I just get rid of everything that I have on my face. So yeah, this has no perfume, no alcohol, and the best part is this is dermatologically tested, so which is why I really like to use this. And another good thing is that this micellar water is very refreshing. It's non-sticky, it's non-oily, doesn't really clog your pores. A lot of cleansing waters are oily in nature, so which is why they clog the pores all the more, and they really make it very sticky and oily onto the face. So this is very liquidy for that matter, and it is suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive. Up next is one of my favorite beauty products that I've been using on a daily basis, and I don't really need to say anything much about it. You can see the condition of this palette right here. This is the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium Deep. Now this has all the beautiful necessities that you need in order to even out your skin tone and to create that beautiful structure onto your face with the dimensions, the color correction, everything. So there is a color corrector that I've used pretty much. There is a highlighter, I mean the highlighter of under the eye area, 2 concealer palettes, and 2 bronzing shades as well. So I've been using this on a daily basis. The shades are very creamy in texture. They are super blendable, and but yeah, if it's too humid, then you really need to dab some powder after applying this because they're super creamy. So if you want some long-lasting effect, then you really need to pat down it using a powder. But otherwise, it's amazing. This is all you need in your purse, and you're good to go. Up next is another product by MAC, which again I recently bought. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in the shade Chicory. I think this is how it is pronounced, I'm not sure. It's a beautiful nude, dark nude brownish lip pencil. Now I was looking for a dark nude lip pencil for the longest time because I've recently started using nudes and browns a lot. So which is why it's very important for you to have a brown lip pencil in order to just outline your lips and then put the liquid lipstick or lipstick, whatever you're using. And this shade is so pretty that I like to apply this on my entire lips and just head out. It's a beautiful shade. It complements my skin tone so very well, and it's really easy to apply this because it's a bit creamy. It's not very stubborn texture wise. So yeah. Up next is this product. I'm sure you cannot recognize this, but yeah, this is the Innisfree's one of their hand creams. This is in the shade in the fragrance Sunshine Wildberry, and this is something that I've used like almost. It's almost, I've hit pan on it. Very little is left, but I'm just going to use this till the last drop that it has. It's so nice. It hydrates my hands really well. So I don't know if you know this or not, but I have this habit of moisturizing my hands every now and then. So I'm a freak that way. So I like to use this hand cream. I have finished this almost in like 20 days or so. So yeah, I'm going to buy this again because I really like the fragrance. It's very peachy and very florally, but very refreshing at the same time. So, and it's very hydrating, and the best part is they don't really stick your hands out. So once you apply it, you will not feel that your hands are too oily or sticky or greasy. They're good to go. So yeah. Up next is one of my favorite lip shades that I have been currently obsessed with. It is the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Mishti. It is the 10th number. Now this is a beautiful Rani pink shade, and this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful shade. It is more liquidy, which is why it settles onto your lips for a very long time, and it's super matte. But the best part is it's non-drying. It doesn't really chap your lips, and it's very easily removable. But the shade is so nice, and I'm just waiting for the festive season to come around, and I'm going to wear this lipstick almost with every outfit because it's going to complement the entire aura of festivities. So I think it's a very beautiful shade. Up next is this Colorbar Kiss Me Again Lip and Cheek Tint. Now this, trust me guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm definitely going to attach a close-up. Only this much is left because I'm literally done with it. I'm currently applying this on my cheeks, and this gives like a beautiful flush onto your cheeks. It's good for lips though, but for the cheeks, it gives a very natural rosy pink flush onto your cheeks, it looks so natural and beautiful, and it's liquidy, so it blends in very easily, and it looks very, very natural. So I really like the shade that it gives onto my cheeks after I apply this. And yes, I like to apply this on my lips as well. It gives really nice reddish tint. It doesn't stay for a very long time, but yeah, the tint stays. The tint really stays for a long period. So this is very handy, and this is like a super easy go-to. Just apply this onto your cheeks and lips, and instant rosy cheeks and pink lips. Last but not the least, this is the ChaCha Balm by Benefit. Now this is a very beautiful lip balm. Oh my god, let's not talk about the fragrance. It's so good. It's very orangish in its shade, but I like to apply it every night. It keeps my lips very supple, hydrating, yet very plump, and I love the packaging. It's really, really fancy. I'm thinking that once this product is over, I'm going to DIY my lip balm into this one. So that, simply because I just want to use this packaging again. It's so nice. I love the rose gold orangish sheen that it has, and voila. So this is how it looks. So that's it with my current favorite beauty products. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your favorite beauty products in the comment section. Trust me, I would love to know about them. And hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I will see you super soon. Bye guys.